Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Open Settings and check About Phone so you know your One UI and Android version. This matters because menus differ. Once done, unlock the phone and make sure you can remove device admin privileges if needed, because some apps lock the lock screen. Next, identify whether the source is Samsung Free, Google Discover, or a third-party app. This directs which settings you'll change next. Now you'll disable the specific news source. Follow the path for your case. If it's Samsung Free, long press the home screen, tap Home Screen Settings, then toggle Samsung Free off so the panel and lock screen snippets stop. If it's Google Discover, open the launcher settings and deselect the home feed. For third-party apps, go to Settings Apps. Pick the app and turn off lock screen notifications or uninstall it. This prevents background updates. Finish by tightening lock screen notification controls so nothing slips through. Go to Settings Lock Screen Notifications and either toggle off or pick Detailed Controls to hide content. This ensures privacy. Once configured, reboot the phone to apply changes and clear the cache of any app that previously pushed news. If the news keeps appearing, revoke special access or device admin rights in Biometrics and Security, and then uninstall the app. That usually resolves stubborn sources and prevents reinstallation or automatic relaunches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.